So yeah, I am going to work on a grapevine. This is a 14-inch grapevine. And we're going to be working with some of my favorite flowers. Red geraniums are some of my favorites to work with. Okay, so I want this bow to be on the bottom left-hand corner, but I don't want a big, super big, huge bow. So I want to make a 12-inch tail, pinch, and then we're going to start off with 8-inch loops, pinch, twist. Y'all remember, you always want to pinch and twist. Yeah, it's windy outside. Next, we're going to do 4 loops of 9-inch ribbon, 9-inch loops. Pinch and twist. Okay. Yeah, it seems like everyone's dealing with the wind today. Okay, so we did 4 loops at 9 inches, and then I'm going to do 2 10-inch loops. Okay, so I want 2 more tails. So this already has, it's already going to have 2 tails, but I want to bring in 2 more tails. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to measure 32 inches, and I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to bring that pinch together and set that in the back. So it makes like one big huge loop, okay? Then I want to measure out 12 inches. Put my pipe cleaner, making sure to grab all of those. And before I cinch it completely shut, I want to fluff out my loops, move my tails where I need them to go, and then just getting my scissors, cutting that in half. So now we've added 4 tails. So I'm just placing that in there. You know, I always try and make sure that when I'm placing that ribbon in there or using that wire, that I run that wire through the grapevine, not around the grapevine. I don't want that wire to be seen on the outside of that. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And now I want to come in and I want to add in some of our larger stems, which of course are these. I'm going to cut it right here, right above where that middle one is. So now I'm just going to get my hot glue and come back kind of behind that bow, not 100% like really tucking that in right behind that bow. So that's what we have so far. Y'all, I love how these just dance and move. So I am going to start adding in some of my other geraniums, and I think I'm only going to need one bush, and I do have one more stem left over. This is only 2 stems of that first one, so I am going to start adding in my geraniums. So we're going to just start really adding this in. Notice I didn't put any greenery in because I knew that this has some greenery leaves on it. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Y'all look how that moves. Absolutely love how that came out. So this one I did cut up and I just put into, made some other little pieces, because right here I see kind of a spot that needs something. So that's what we have so far. So now I want to draw some more interest in by adding some of this vine. So I'm going to come in under that bow. And now I have several pieces. So now I'm going to come up with, with this, but I'm going right above that bow, because it's kind of going to sit in between that bow. Like I said, I really didn't want that bow to be a major focal point in this. So with this, since it's going to be a little bit more, so I did glue that piece in, but I kind of want this piece right here to hang right in the middle of that wreath. Okay, so y'all look how pretty that looks. And like I said, I didn't want that bow to really be my focal point. I really wanted the focal to be my greenery that's going to be moving in the wind, the geraniums. Okay,